Hello, welcome to another Bandicam video with 10-minute limit. Guys better buckle in for this one. So we're gonna be exploring Sunset Plains. This will be spawning this castle type thing. It's a fire climbing animation. Everything's smooth in this version of the game. I don't really like it. I think the move is kind of stupid. Well, I'd like to buy a cash register. Sorry, sir, we don't sell cash registers. How about you give me the cash register you have in front of you right now? No, thank you, sir. We need that for cash registering. No, you don't. Oh, you guys like my avatar? I know it's fine. Oh, there's a really tall tower. I want to go up there. It's a white ladder, so what? It's a big back ladder. I'm supposed to go up there. I don't know what a jet. I still have like a jetpack or any tools to go there. I can't even buy any gear. I can't even buy any gears in this game. Looks like there's a little village over there. And we will explore it. Don't feel like walking, please click to move. Okay, this village doesn't look too hot. I think these are food model houses, but and the roofs don't look too hot. This one looks okay, this one these do not. But they're not welded, so they just fall apart. Oh, only that wall is anchored. What? This game is peak. I'm yet to visit. I visited the village, but there's a second one. Over here. Repay the livers of this house a visit. If only I had a bomb on it. There's a weird thing to say. I have a basement. And a door that's all boarded up. He obviously does not like coming upstairs. This house looks modern, but it's like built like a castle. I don't know what are these dogs or horses? Oh, why is this place called Sunset Plains? It's all muddy. These are obviously horses. This is the door. Let's head to the mountain. My click to move before. That's a cool building technique. Currently, we're in a secret passage underneath the mountains that don't even supposed to be here. Like a power plant. It looks broken. That's what we need to do. There's just a bunch of big wheels everywhere. Have sphere collision boxes. How the fuck did he pull this off? No one's ever getting me up here. There's the river. There were no water physics back in the day, so I might die if I go in here. Nope, it just doesn't have any collisions. What's one on the waterfall? Ah! I thought so. Looks like there's a nice little place that looks like this. Builder did a good job on this map, even though it is a little broken. I would build my own map, but I'm kind of stupid. Also, I'm not getting low frame rates, it's just the animation looks like that for item. Well, that's all for today's video.